What is up, guys? Welcome to a YZ250 Enduro build. Shorty. Gonna change out this seat cover. This thing is the hardest, and I can't tell if it's the foam that's hard or this plastic seat has become even harder over time. This thing is 18 years old at least. It's terrible and gross. And well, it's in good shape other than some kind of overspray that's on here. Don't know where this stupid thing came from. I'm gonna go with, I have no idea. They bought it though. They bought it from somebody. So it must be the old seat got tore up. Anyway, this thing is hard as a rock, and given the condition of this foam being, well, not the right color, this may be a shit show. So I'm gonna pull the seat cover off and attempt to install a new seat cover. I am not good at this. I've done this one time in my life, and I'm pretty sure it was a piss poor performance that time as well. So we'll see. I think we got this. So, I'm gonna go as far as to say this is not the funnest goddamn job in the world already. I'm already losing my mind. I think that's good. I mean, it's brown. I don't know why, but it's pretty soft. It's a motocross seat, so it's a little firmer, right? But it's not bad. I think with this hard cover off, it's gonna be mucho better. Buy gross seat. Yeah, it's a beautiful shade of orange, for sure. But it's soft. I mean, it's, like I said, it's moderately soft. Buy. Buy. My wife's gonna find a bunch of staples on the floor and get really pissed off at me. So we need to make sure we don't leave a bunch of extraneous staples all over the floor for her to get stuck in her feet. I'm not allowed to technically have dirt bike parts inside, but she's not here, and she doesn't usually watch my videos, so we'll be all right. Just saying. Love you, Anna. You're the best. All right. Gonna use our Power Shot, which should be, it's about the worst goddamn stapler I've ever used in my life, but I'm cheap. I'm super cheap. So the seat cover that's gonna go on here is an Attack Graphics. It looks way cooler. It's a gripper seat, which is gonna be a plus. So it is black with some white stripes. I like it. Let's make sure this biatch fits on here real good. Jacking up our foam. Yeah, like that. All right, this is the 15th try. Let's try this again. I feel like this might be it. I get this thing super tight. It's already made me better. All right, it's starting to look a little more promising. Now, if I can get this going, we're gonna alternate side to side. We are not gonna skimp on staples, obviously, because none of them really wanna go in. We're not gonna get frustrated. We're gonna keep our cool as best we can. We're gonna will these staples into place. It's looking slightly better. We'll run with it. We'll run with it, baby. Yeah, got that seat. Looks pretty decent. If I bought this seat and it looked like this, I'd be upset. But since I did it myself, I'm good with it. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed with this wrinkly part, but man, I took the seat cover on and put it off 1,000 times, and that is as good as I could get it. These staples are suspect, but there's enough in there to hold it, I hope. So yeah, wrinkles or not, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Let's throw some bracketry on and see what this thing looks like on the old bike cycle. Sound good? Definitely don't go in your hole. Alright, let's see how it looks. That's all you can see. That looks pretty good. That's all I'm going to show you concerning this bike. Those little wrinkles in the front only got worse when this big giant IMS tank on there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't mind subscribing, I'd appreciate it. Definitely ring that bell, follow along with this build. Got a big engine video coming up soon, and it's proven very difficult to edit such a thing. It's like 4,000 videos. See you guys soon.